Myself, Dr. Kumar Vibhanshu, and I am from Jharkhand, and I have been practicing from last 15 years.
Okay, my question for you today is like before you joined this trained therapist workshop, your expectation, and then after coming here, what did you learn, the new skills that you gained from the workshop?
Actually, these things we have been, what do I say, we have done our practice during the bachelor's, and now that is around 19-20 years before, right? So during the practice, it happens that normally it's not that all the time you get spinal cord injury cases or the paraplegic cases.
Yes,
You take cases whatever comes to you, right? So in that happens that, at times you lose out on few of the skills, tricks and practices, right? And moreover, there's new advancement, new techniques, or new accessories which is being introduced in the field of spinal cord injury rehabilitation, right? So those things have helped me here to again rebrush and to find out that how things have changed from that time to this time. Okay, so in that aspect, it's been a very good experience.
Okay, that's a good point to be noted. Like after 15 years of experience, but still he is ready to learn new skills, which is upgraded into advanced technique that we are using here. And one more question. You have attended this workshop for 2 days now, so would you like to commend your colleagues or any physio known person to attend the upcoming workshop of ours?
Yes, definitely wherever in the pan India, wherever you have your workshops coming up, I will definitely guide my either juniors or my colleagues to at least attend this 2 days workshop, so that they get a refreshing of whatever they had learned earlier, and for juniors they will learn new techniques and how to manage their clinic, what all accessories to have and how to deal with the patients.
Okay, that's glad to hear. Can you elaborate me 1 or 2 points that you have gained from here and then in future you will apply in your practice?
See, the 2 things is, as I mentioned about the accessories, what you guys have very elaborate and very extensive kind of accessories which help your physiotherapists to handle the patients, because they are totally dependent on us, right? And it's at times it is very much burden on the physiotherapist physically, okay, because they also have to keep themselves away from any injuries, back injuries or whatever, while handling the patients, right? So those accessories is definitely going to help me in my clinic. And secondly, the things which you have mentioned about the flow chart through which we should progress further during rehabilitation. We should not get into hurry that if patient is so much impatient that when can I walk, directly I should start make him stand and walk, right? So gradually we need to take patient or their attenders or the peers in our confidence, make them understand logically, scientifically that what we are doing now is going to help further the result which you want to achieve at last, right? So these 2 things will be very much incorporated in our practice.
That's a very good point that you have to take us personally. Thank you so much.